Good morning, students. Today I will teach you the lesson light, physical chapter of science. So first of all, we will know what is light. Okay. So light is a form of energy which enables us to see objects. Clear? What is light? It is a form of energy. It is a form of energy which enables us to see different types of objects. Means without light we cannot see any objects. So if you talk about objects, so objects may be that which some objects emit light and some objects reflect light. Okay, emit means produce. So those objects which emit light are known as luminous objects. Those objects which emit light are known as luminous objects. Examples: sun, stars, bulb, lamp, etc. Next one, some objects reflect light. They may be non-luminous. They are called non-luminous objects. So those objects which reflect light are called non-luminous objects. For example, books, chairs, tables, etc. Okay? So these are the objects which reflect light, and these are the objects which produce light. So according to physics, this is the definition of object. Means objects are that which emit light or reflect light. Okay? So according to that, we classify them as luminous and non-luminous. Clear? So in this chapter light, you have to study two phenomena of light, that is reflection and refraction. Okay, we have to study reflection and refraction. So first we will study about reflection of light in detail. Clear? So before studying reflection of light, we should know some terms of the light. Terms. There are some terms which we have to study. First term is ray of light. Okay? So what is ray of light? This is a straight line which shows the direction of light. Like this. What is ray of light? It is a straight line shows direction of light. Which shows direction of light. That is called ray of light. Okay? Second term, beam of light. Beam means collection of light rays. So there are many collection of light rays. So what you call them? Beam. Okay, clear? So this beam of light may be this beam of light. Okay, if the beam of light means collection of light rays are parallel to each other like this, these beam of light are parallel to each other, so they will be called as parallel beam of light. What do you call them? Parallel beam of light. Clear? If light rays are coming from the source and they are meeting at a point like this, many light rays coming and meeting at a point. So this type of light rays, this type of collection of light rays is called converging beam of light. What do we call that? Converging beam of light. Clear? And if light ray emerge from a source and is scattered in different direction, means diverge in different direction, like this. This light ray is diverging in different directions. This is coming from a point and diverging in different directions. This type of collection of light rays is called diverging beam of light. Clear? So beam of light may be parallel if light rays are parallel to each other. So this type of collection of light rays, parallel beam. If light rays coming from a source and meeting at a point, then it will be converging beam. And if light rays emerging from a source and scattering in different directions, then it will be diverging beam of light. Clear? Now we will start the main topic, that is reflection. Reflection. Clear? So what is reflection? Bouncing back of light rays after striking a smooth, or you can say plane surface. What I have written? Bouncing back of light rays after striking a smooth or a plane surface. It means for complete reflection of light, there should be a smooth or plane surface. So when light rays falls on a smooth surface, it bounces back, and this bouncing back is called reflection of light. Clear? Suppose this is mirror. This is mirror. This is the polished surface of mirror, and this one is reflecting surface. Clear? This one is reflecting surface, this polished surface. So suppose light is coming like this, then it bounces back from here. So this process is reflection of light. Clear? So there are, you know that for reflection there should be a plane surface. So we take in this case a mirror. So what is mirror? Mirror is that which has complete reflecting surface. But here we have to take, first of all we have to take plane mirror. So what is plane mirror? Plane mirror is that which has flat reflecting surface. Means the surface is totally flat. Means reflecting surface is totally flat, and that is plane mirror. Like this. You can say this is total flat surface. And again I am drawing this. This back side is polished, and this is reflective surface. This is reflecting surface, and this reflecting surface is flat. So if reflecting surface is flat, then it will be plane mirror. Clear? If reflecting surface is flat, then it will be plane mirror. Next topic we have to study now. Next topic is types of reflection. Types of reflection. So there are two types of reflection. First one is regular reflection. Second one is irregular or diffuse reflection. Okay, so there are two types of reflection: regular reflection, and second one is irregular or diffuse reflection. So one by one we will see what is regular and what is irregular reflection. So first we will see regular reflection. Clear? I am telling both regular and irregular both. If reflection takes place from plane surface, it will be regular reflection. If reflection takes place from rough surface, then it will be irregular reflection. If reflection takes place from plane surface, and this type of reflection takes place from rough surface. So if reflection takes place from plane surface, it will be regular. It takes place from rough surface, it will be irregular reflection. Like this. This is plane surface, like plane mirror. So these are the light rays coming. These are the light rays coming. These light rays are, what can you say them? Parallel beam. Parallel beam. So after striking this plane surface, they will be reflected, and they will be reflected in a regular manner. That's why its name is regular reflection. They will be reflected in a regular manner. Clear? So this type of reflection will be regular reflection. Now see this. Suppose this is a rough surface. Okay. These are light rays. These are the parallel beam of light. We can say these are the incident rays. Okay. I will tell you about this later. So they will be reflected in different directions like this. So they are reflecting in a irregular manner like this. You can see here that they are reflecting in a irregular manner. So this type of reflection will be irregular reflection. This type of, because the reflection is in irregular manner. Some rays are going here, some here like this. And in this you can see that rays are reflecting in a regular manner. Clear? So actually in our life we observe irregular reflection mostly, because any surface we see around us, like road, wall, any surface, your book, this board, okay, every surface is almost irregular. Only plain mirror and some other silver, these are the good plain surfaces. So mostly in our life we see this type of reflection, that is called irregular reflection. Clear? So next topic I will discuss later. And these what I have taught today, you have to revise that. I have already provided notes of this chapter, so study from there clearly. Okay, thanks.